Alrighty, what is up, you guys? Today we are reviewing the investment account. Um, it's looking a little bad, I'm not gonna lie. It's looking a little rough out there in the stock market, but regardless, we got to do the every single month update. Hopefully, next month when I report again, my stocks will be back to where they were, but I have actually lost money. So, the road to 100K, it's taking a little bit of a downturn, but hopefully in due time we can the stock market will go back up, just things with Iran and stuff, the oil prices, it's affecting the stock market. I don't even know how really it all works, but, we're going to look at my stocks and just see, exactly what's going on. And, yeah, let's go right into it. Alrighty, you guys, as we can see, we only have $79,402 in the account. So looking at our highest one, we were at 80, almost 85K in the account at our peak. Now we're at 79,402. So we are down $5,000, and it just continues to sink pretty much every day. It's kind of sad to see, now is the time to invest, right? Because everything's on a discount, you could say. But if you look at the S&P 500 index, my main one here, yeah, it's quite down. Quite down. I'm only made 10% on this puppy, so not really that good, to be honest with you, at all. Here, let's look at the past month. We'll really see it. As you can see, S&P is just continually declining. I don't know how much longer this is going to go on for, maybe as long as the Iran war is going on for, so we'll see how long that's going to keep on going for. I don't know if they're going to end it soon. It could take a month, 2 months, who even knows, really. I feel like I should know since I'm in the military, but I really don't, so I don't think anybody knows. But yeah, that is what the stock market is looking like at the moment. Everything's still green. I made a lot of money, obviously, but it just kind of sucks to see that, it's just not that steady incline like I wanted. To kind of have this setback when I was at almost 85K and I was working towards 90K, it just feels like I've been kind of gypped, or I've been set back a little bit. It felt good to go past 80K, and now I'm just sitting back below 80K. When I was working towards 90,000, it's like, oof, does not feel good. So I don't know, we're not gonna worry about it, but I'm gonna look over my, I'm also gonna include in this video, because I know it's kind of short to just kind of look at, my total stock value or whatever. I think it's important, but I'm also gonna add this little Google spreadsheet I made, which kind of shows, my total, what's it called? My total, I don't know, includes all my assets and everything. We're going to take a look at that too, so I'm going to include that in this video as well. So let's jump over there. Alrighty, you guys, so here we have a look at my Google spreadsheet I made. So this just kind of shows my total assets. This is my net worth, right? So it goes in by category at the top here. So for the month of January, it goes savings, brokerage account, how much I have in there. The TSP, which is my military investments, cash, and then just the total assets. And then we have month-to-month change. So I just wanted to quickly review this. We'll just look at February. So my savings were $984, and my brokerage account, I had $82,565, which is now declined. I only have $79,000. So that by the time I update this at the end of March, which is actually coming up soon in 15 days, it might only be at 80,000 or something like that. So that'll be a $2,000 decline or whatever. And I'm sure my military investments are not doing well either. I'm sure those went down as well, because they're investments as well. So we'll see about that. Cash, that's relatively the same. My savings, they went up a little bit, not by much, maybe $1,000. So still, relatively pretty good. Not $1,000, probably $500. So just stacking up that cash a little bit. So yeah, we might actually see a month-to-month change in the negatives, just because the stock market has been in a massive decline. And then I also have this little bar graph here that just shows the month-to-month change. So it'll be interesting to see what March looks like relatively to the other ones. I am assuming that it'll look, it'll be a decline. But I think in April, when this war is over, I think we'll have a rather large, jump back up into the regular stock market, if you will. In April, May, June, something like that. So whenever that thing gets done with, we will see. And then also I'm checking all my expenditures down here. We can dive into those in a different video, but just want to go over that. Thanks for watching.